Ever seen metal fuse without melting? That's friction welding. It works by spinning one piece against another under high pressure. The heat generated by friction softens the metal. No flames needed. When they're hot enough, the spinning stops, and pressure forces them together. The result? A super strong solid-state bond. Because the metal never melts, there's less distortion, no filler, and almost zero impurities. It's used everywhere, from airplane parts to high-performance car axles, even pipelines and spacecraft. Friction welding is fast, clean, and incredibly strong. It's engineering at its finest, powered by heat and pressure. Who needs fire when you've got physics?